Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new form in LibreOffice Base. If you want to do it, you need to have created table and queries. So for example, I have here tables that I have created before. So let's click double tap on it. This is my table with client ID, name, date and sales. In previous video I teach you how to do it, so I recommend you to watch it if you didn't. So now I close this window, I go to queries, and I will create here a simple query. So I select here create query in design view, I select here tables and I select here table number 1. I click add, I close this window and I change dimensions of this table. I add here client ID, name, date and sales. So I would like to display all data from this table. Now I click run query to check if it works. So how you see it really works. So I want to save this query, I go to save, I click on save as and I type here query number 1. I click OK, I need to close this window and now we can go to forms. So I select here forms, I select here use wizard to create form and I need to click on this one button to move all fields to the fields in the form. Then I click next, I don't want to add a subform so I click next and here it is very important to select this one option. Columnar form may be really useful for you, so I recommend you to use this one option. And then we need to select this arrangement of the subform and we need to click next. Now you need to select the entry mode that you want to use. If you want to don't allow modification, deletion or addition of new data, you should check these options, but I will not do it now because I would like to show you how to add the new data. So I click next and here you can edit the style of form. You can select if you want to have the border, you can apply the different type of styles. So if you want you can check it. Then I click next, I type here name of the form. So I type here form, underline, query number 1 and I select here work with the form. Then I click finish and our form has been successfully created here. You can change records if you will click on this one icon. So you will go to the next record. Everything is based on the table that we have created and on the query that we are using here. If you would like to add a new record, you need to click on this one icon. It will let you to create a new record, so I click on it and then you will be able to type here a name, for example Matthew. I type here date, for example 1st February of 25 and I type here the sales amount, for example $500. But remember that you can do it only if you have your unique primary key in your query. It is very important, remember about that, because if you will not have your primary key added to your form, it will not be possible to add new records, so please don't forget about it. And now if you would like to save this record, you need to click on this one icon and it will be successfully saved. If you would like to delete any record, you need to go to the record that you want to delete. For example, I would like to delete this one record. Then I click on this one icon, delete record, and you will see this one information. You intend to delete one record. If you click yes, you won't be able to undo this operation. Do you want to continue anyway? If you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click yes button and then it will be successfully deleted from your records. So in this way you can create form in LibreOffice Base. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.